rubbers arrived just in time for my appointment, so I lucked out big time. These are 38 Yokohama GEOLANDAR XMTs. Look at the sidewall. All right, here we go. So we're here at a friendly neighborhood discount tire, and after scheduling my appointment and basically checking out, I find out that the prices for the mountain balance is twice as much if you buy the tires separately from them. So they actually will beat any price you can get. We actually got our tires next door online at Walmart, and so they would have beaten the price we got at Walmart, and we would have paid half off, only about $100 for the install all four. Instead we paid $215. So just a little PSA for anyone that's looking for tires. Discount tire will rob you unless you get them from here. Yep, this is in the bay. Got all the 37s off. Double jacks. Pretty cool. Look, we got one tire partially on. Oh, that looks mean, huh? Oh. Woo. Here, hold it. You want to hold it? I got it. Take a video here. Woo. Looking good. Look at that. Subscribe for more of this. But what?
The guy before me had a supercharger.
Okay.
And it's got all Bilstein suspension.
Nice. What kind of supercharger?
It was a 5-liter Whipple.
Woo! I think it's got a scoop.
Big.
Wow, it's not even rubbing, man.
That is so
Oh. It's beautiful. We just did a little chalk test, courtesy of the two girls who love to chalk. And we got a pretty even contact patch here. I don't know if you can see this. Zoom out. See, it's pretty even. That's front passenger. Got front driver. It does look a little more here because the sun is able to hit it there, but looks pretty even. Yeah, call that good. And then the rear looks nice and even too. Yep. And then rear passenger. Definitely, and there might be different color chocks there, but they're all pretty faded. I went 3 full rotations, so it's relatively level ground, not completely. It's almost impossible to find level ground. So this is what she looks like with the EIBACH HD rears, which is a 2.7-inch lift. Then we have the deck system and a whole bunch of stuff weighing it down a little bit. 38s, obviously. And then we've got the EIBACH 1.6-inch front, the level lift. So that's what it looks like from the passenger side. And let's walk around to the driver's side. What's up, guys? Driver's side. She's got a good rake. It looks very like a factory rake almost. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do the 2.7-inch fronts or not. Obviously it would be perfectly level at that point, but I just literally installed the HD rears so that I had that rake back. So when I hook up the trailer, hook up side by side, hook up the boat, whatever, put the topper on with all the gear, it doesn't squat too much. So yeah, let's take a quick measurement. See what our travel figures are. All right, so front driver is all right, so front driver right about 5 5/8, touch more than 5 1/2. Okay, we'll go front passenger. Whoa! Front passenger is, it's kind of a weird lug to go off of, but looks like 5 1/4 on this side. So we're not on completely level ground, obviously. Reagan, it's not a soccer ball. Come on. Yeah, go get the ball, please. Don't go in traffic. Children don't die. All right, bring Reagan back. Okay. So 5 1/4, 5 5/8, so roughly call it like 5 1/2, give or take. In the front travel, and then the rear we're at 7 1/4 basically. Maybe a touch less than 7 1/4. And then on this side, we are at 7 and a hair. Maybe a 16th. 7 1/16, I'd say. So 7 1/4-ish, 5 1/2-ish, about a 1 3/4 difference front to back, which is pretty close to stock. I think stock's like 1 3/4, 1 5/8. So this is a pretty close to stock rake. I do wish that the fronts were like a 1/2 inch higher though. I don't know if that's possible. Maybe if I took my inner chiller tank out or something and shaved 40 pounds, 50 pounds off the front. But yeah, she looks mean, she looks good. Just gotta figure out whether I'm gonna put the EIBACH front 2.7s instead of the 1.6s. But the chalk test is complete. We lucked out. I did 32 on all 4 corners, which tires are somewhat warm right now, so more like 35 and change warm. So 32 in all 4 corners worked out pretty well. I'm satisfied with it. I don't think that, I mean, I could drop it probably to 30, but I think 32 is a good number. Keep that payload. Keep the tires wearing evenly, and there she is. Nice amount of poke there. And for those that don't know, there's the 1 1/2 inch BORA hub-centric spacers as well. It definitely got a nice little poke to it. Hard to tell with the driver door open. Yep, I mean, that stance is killer. I mean, you can't beat that stance, in my opinion. Let's see what the rear stance looks like. Side here. Yep, just the right amount of poke. Nothing too Hot Wheels. Just the right amount of poke. Just the right amount of poke to spray the side of your truck with dirt and grit and grime and rocks. What's up? What's there? Is it an animal or something? I'm filming. What the problem is?
That, and then she did it, and I said, don't do that.
Oh goodness, what is that, dude? Oh no, that's yucky. Reagan, you're like a junkyard baby, dude. That's gross. Don't touch that, man. Come on, let's go wash your hands. All right, you want to sign this one off?
Sign this one off for Morgan's hand. Reviews.
Yeah, Chan. What size tires are on the truck?
38.
38s. Woo! Jago, 38s. Whoa! Oh, looking mean. And if you're not already a subscriber, smash the sub button for us. Do more stupid, no, I almost cursed. Do more stupid stuff. To answer the question that you guys are probably gonna have, yes, we have done significant trimming of the pitch wells. Significant. We just hit it with some black spray paint, but we have trimmed with a little bit of a Dremel, but mostly with a grinder and like a circular grinder with the sanding attachment and then the metal That's usually when it'll get you at full lock or like a half an inch from full lock, and so far so good. I have trimmed multiple times though, so it's kind of trial and error. I'm sure I'll have to trim maybe one more time, but I'm kind of running out of material before I end up at the cab. So we shall see. Maybe the extra inch of lift from the 2.7 EIBACH would help a little bit. I'm not sure, because it's not like we have an issue with the something up travel wise. We had something back, so it's not really going to change too much by going up an inch. But who knows? We'll see. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get you, Jacob. This is what it's gonna look like in 8 or 9 years. Picking up her friend. Woo! 10 seconds it says.